Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most useful, most trendy wooden furniture designs and ideas. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see. Top 50 design and ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy wooden furniture designs. Every design is different, every design is beautiful and trendy, every design is different one another. Mind-blowing designs, mind-blowing ideas you can see in this my video. Top 50 designer ideas you can see. Much beautiful, most trendy. Highly running ideas you can see in this my video. You can buy these very beautiful furniture designs, these websites online easily in very reasonable price like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com, Amazon. See beautiful designs, beautiful light colors, beautiful dark colors, stylish contrasts. Useful designing ideas you can see. You can visit my channel and see more collection about wood. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. Stylish furniture ideas, wooden furniture ideas. Give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy wooden furniture designs. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.